हमारे अगले कैंडिडेट हैं अबू बकर बाजवा, एजुकेटर स्कूल चविंडा से। अबू बकर बाजवा।
In the name of Allah, who is the most gracious and the most merciful, honorable judges and respected audience, Assalamu alaikum. Today the topic of my speech is जलता है मगर शाम और फलस्तीन पे मेरा दिल, जलता है मगर शाम और फलस्तीन पे मेरा दिल, तदबीर से खुलता नहीं है उगदा है दुश्वार। The role of Western powers and their conspiracies in the situation in Syria and Palestine after the First World War had a profound impact on a sensitive heart and intellectual leader of Muslim Ummah like Allama Iqbal. These areas, which were part of the Ottoman Empire before the war, came under the control of Western powers after the defeat of the Turks. Western nations continuously propagated against the Turks and showed the Arabs the dream of independence by proving them to be oppressors. Honorable judges, the Arabs were assured that freedom from Turks would give them autonomy and development, but in reality, this did not happen. When the Turks weakened after the war, powers like Britain and France established their dominance over these areas, and the promises made to the Arabs turned out to be more deception. Allama Iqbal expressed the deep regret and sorrow over this situation. According to him, this was a conspiracy that was not easy to understand and solve because it involved blatant deception and deceit on the part of Western nations. Allama Iqbal he also expressed deep sorrow in his poetry and tried to awaken the Muslims and called them to unity and solidarity. Allama Iqbal said, खूने दिल दे के निखारेंगे रूखे बरगे गुलाब, खूने दिल दे के निखारेंगे रूखे बरगे गुलाब, हमने गुलशन के तहफ़्फ़ुज़ की कसम खाई है। पासबां मिल गए काबे को सनम खाने से, पासबां मिल गए काबे को सनम खाने से, किस्मत एक कौम ये भी कभी थी ख्वाब में भी। Honorable judges, in these poems, Iqbal has lamented that the Muslims were betrayed and their own places were handed over to their enemies. Allama Iqbal, in these poems, Iqbal has lamented that the Muslims were betrayed and their own places were handed over to their enemies. According to him, the survival and glory of the Muslims lies in understanding the tricks of Western powers and strengthening their power. His message is still a beacon for all Muslims today to understand the Western conspiracies and forget the differences and become a strong nation. Thanks.